Well, with the end of supercross coming and motocross not very far away, the new rumor is, well, involving Max Anstie, which is kind of funny considering he was a whole part of the BBMX, Rocky Mountain, KTM, whatever you want to call it, fiasco. Obviously, he left that team. That team is who knows what going down in flames, I would assume, but whatever. Reported by Steve Mathis of Pulp MX, and quote, some rumors flying around including KTM looking for a second 250 rider for MX. Apparently I'm assuming Marvin Musquin, and Anstie said no, because if you didn't know, Musquin only is on a supercross only contract at the moment. And Anstie riding for Factory Kawasaki in 450s for MX. Stay tuned. This is kind of neat because Max Anstie did come over from the MXGP world where he did ride for Kawasaki before. Obviously, it's going to be a different team and different world, all that kind of stuff. But since he came here, he's ridden for Suzuki. Now rode, for the Factory Rocky Mountain KTM team. But if he goes back and he rides a full season for Cowie on a 450 fill-in ride or whatever you want to call it, because, well, Adam Cianciarulo is being Adam Cianciarulo, and he's injured and probably going to be injured for all of outdoors. So who knows what's happening with that, and who knows what's happening with this. This is not a concrete thing, but I think it's cool. I like Max Anstie. I think he's a cool rider. I think he's a good rider. And, it'd be cool to see him with a full factory ride, see what he can do outdoors for a full season, not have to worry about, this or that or any of the drama with the BBMX whole thing. But you tell me in the comments below. Do you think he'll do well? Do you think this is, actually going to happen? Or in the comments below, tell me who you think you would like to see on a fill-in ride for Kawasaki. Somebody else, different privateer, somebody else under a big name, whoever it is. And I will see y'all later. Peace.